Bitcoin has had a terrific year. The digital currency has gained about 70% since the start of 2021, valuing the entire crypto market around $2 trillion. Coinbase went public in April, increasing participation from Wall Street institutions like Goldman Sachs, and the approval of the first U.S. exchange-traded fund connected to Bitcoin. But recent regulatory changes and market volatility have dimmed Bitcoin's potential. Experts say the market may be headed for a correction. With 2019 already shaping up to be a wild ride for digital currencies, CNBC looks at the top analyst forecasts. Crypto crash. Some experts expect Bitcoin to plummet in the coming months. In November, Bitcoin hit a new high of approximately $69,000. It's presently below $50,000, down over 30% from its high. Bear markets are defined as a 20% or greater drop from recent highs, yet Bitcoin is infamous for its volatility. Carol Alexander, a finance professor at Sussex University, predicts Bitcoin will crash to $10,000 in 2022, wiping away its gains of the last 18 months. If I were an investor, I'd sell Bitcoin today since its price would likely plummet next year, Alexander added. For her, Bitcoin has no basic value and is a toy rather than an investment. Alexander foresaw a replay of history. In 2018, Bitcoin fell to below $3,000 after reaching nearly $20,000 a few months before. Many supporters of Bitcoin claim that this time is different due to the influx of institutional investors. A similar story is being carried by the Bitcoin bubble, according to Todd Lowenstein, chief equity strategist at Union Bank's private banking department. Bitcoin is often marketed as a hedge against rising inflation driven by government stimulus. A hawkish Federal Reserve could stifle Bitcoin's growth, according to Lowenstein. A decline in liquidity will disproportionately impact overvalued asset classes and speculative parts of the market, including cryptocurrency. Some doubt the crypto party will conclude in 2022. According to Yuya Hasegawa, crypto market analyst of Japanese digital asset exchange Bitbank, the Fed's quantitative tapering has already been decided and presumably factored in. First spot Bitcoin ETF. In 2022, approving the first spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund will be a big deal. The SEC approved ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF this year, although it only monitors Bitcoin futures contracts, not provides direct exposure. Futures bind an investor to acquire or sell an item at a later period. It is too risky for beginners, say experts, to invest in ProShares ETF. The Vice President of Corporate Development and Global Expansion of Luno, VJ. A Bitcoin spot ETF could be approved in 2022, as the market is mature enough to support one. Global Bitcoin leader Grayscale Investments has filed to become a spot ETF. Other Bitcoin ETFs are in the works. Rotation into DeFi. Bitcoin's market share has dropped as Ethereum and other digital currencies gained prominence. In 2018, investors will search for smaller crypto pockets for bigger rewards. Alexander proposes Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, and Cardano in 2022. As retail investors become aware of the pitfalls of buying Bitcoin on unregulated exchanges, she predicts a shift to blockchain-based currency. This will allow smart contracts like Ethereum and Solana to compete with Bitcoin's market cap. For crypto platform ICHI, network steward Brian Gross says decentralized finance and decentralized autonomous organizations will be the fastest developing technologies. In contrast, DeFi attempts to replicate traditional financial items without middlemen. DeFi deposits exceeded $200 billion this year, and experts estimate demand to grow in 2022. DeFi is a Web3 technology. The Web3 movement envisions a decentralized internet powered by blockchain and non-fungible coins. Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey are critics. A big year on the regulatory. China outlawed all crypto-related businesses this year, while the U.S. regulated specific areas. Analysts predict a severe regulatory issue in 2022. An important year for regulation, IR added. Governments, particularly the U.S., want to regulate crypto. IR claims the SEC will only regulate Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are not securities. The US government and Ripple are at conflict over XRP, a cryptocurrency. Ripple and two executives allegedly sold $1.3 billion worth of XRP currency. According to the SEC, Ripple says XRP isn't a stock. Authorities will presumably focus on stablecoins next year. It is a currency connected to current assets like the dollar. Tether, the world's largest stablecoin, is controversial due to its dollar peg. In addition to the underlying collateral and leverage employed, regulators will surely evaluate stable coins. There was a time when the mortgage and housing crises collateral was suspect and risk appetite rose. Regulators are scrutinizing DeFi. Earlier this month, the Bank for International Settlements called for DeFi regulation, citing decentralized services. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.